Welcome to the best of luxury and convenience at Lake Chapala. Introducing La Reserva, a premium development nestled just 3 kilometers west of Ajijic's heart. Upon entering La Reserva, a world of convenience greets you. The bustling commercial center, featuring Poncho's Supermarket, a lakeside view restaurant, and numerous other services, has been designed to simplify your life. Reserva East boasts of 84 homes, each sold to families who found their perfect haven. Here, security isn't just a word, it's a promise. With 24/7 controlled access, we ensure the safety of not just the development, but also the exclusive sub-condominiums within. Imagine a life where you're surrounded by nature. With a 26 km bike path stretching between Chapala and Yokotepec, your morning rides just got a lot more scenic. The gem of La Reserva, the west section, is our magnum opus. In its final phase, it promises 192 homes, built in 3 meticulously planned stages. With phase 1 already complete with 63 homes, the second phase has now opened its gates. Choose from 8 distinct home models set across 50 pristine lots. Without a shadow of a doubt, La Reserva West is shaping up to be the foremost lakeside development, now and for the future. And for those moments of relaxation and bonding, vast green spaces await you, just the perfect setting for creating countless memories. Everything you need within reach. Essential services, shops, and even a state-of-the-art hospital with an emergency room, all just 3 kilometers away. Next, dive into luxury at the Reserva Private Club and Resort. A boutique hotel experience, exquisite dining, a lounge bar, and recreational facilities from tennis courts to a sauna. Boating enthusiasts have a dedicated ramp and dry dock, while families can relish in the expansive heated pool, jacuzzi, and dedicated children's area. And amidst all this, a sprawling garden invites you for moments of tranquility. Owners at La Reserva West may obtain membership directly from the club. La Reserva, where luxury meets serenity and your dream home awaits.